Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to build efficient workflows in Asana's free plan, without automations. First, use sections as workflow stages. In your project, create sections like backlog, this week, in progress, and done. Now, create template tasks. Build one master task with all subtasks for a common process, like blog post launch. Save it in a templates section. Duplicate it when needed. Click the three dots on the task and select Duplicate. Use due dates and assignees to drive action. Assign an owner and set a due date for every task. This shows who is responsible. Implement a weekly planning ritual. Use a This Week section. Every Monday, drag tasks from backlog into this week. Assign them to team members with due dates for that week. Finally, use Board View for daily stand-ups. Switch your project to Board View. In your team meeting, review tasks in the In Progress column. Move completed tasks to Review or Done. And that's it. You've built a clear workflow with sections, templates, ownership, and planning. If this created a smooth workflow for your team, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.